Driving under the influence of illegal or legal substances is a serious offense that can have severe consequences. It's not just about getting caught and facing fines, but it's about the risk you're taking with your own life and the lives of others on the road. That's our topic of discussion in this episode. It is illegal to drive if either you are unfit to do so because you are on legal or illegal drugs, or you have certain levels of illegal drugs in your blood. For information, legal drugs are prescription or over-the-counter medicines. If you are taking them and not sure if you should drive, talk to your doctor, pharmacist, or healthcare professional. The police can stop you and make you do a field impairment assessment if they think you are on drugs. This is a series of tests, for example asking you to walk in a straight line. They can also use a roadside drug kit to screen for cannabis and cocaine. If they think you are unfit to drive because of taking drugs, you'll be arrested and will have to take a blood or urine test at a police station. You could be charged with a crime if the test shows you've taken drugs. It is illegal in England, Scotland, and Wales to drive with legal drugs in your body if it impairs your driving. It is an offence to drive if you have over the specified limits of certain drugs in your blood and you have not been prescribed them. Talk to your doctor about whether you should drive if you've been prescribed any drugs such as amphetamine, for example dexamphetamine or selagiline, clonazepam, diazepam, flunitrazepam, lorazepam, methadone, morphine or opiate and opioid-based drugs, for example codeine, tramadol or fentanyl, oxapam and temazepam. You can drive after taking those mentioned drugs if you've been prescribed them and followed advice on how to take them by a healthcare professional, or if they are not causing you to be unfit to drive even if you're above the specified limits. However, be aware that you could be prosecuted if you drive with certain levels of these drugs in your body and you have not been prescribed them. The law does not cover Northern Ireland, but you could still be arrested if you're unfit to drive. Remember also that there are penalties and consequences for drug driving. If you're convicted of drug driving, you may get a minimum 1-year driving ban, an unlimited fine, up to 6 months in prison, and a criminal record. In addition, your driving license will also show you've been convicted for drug driving. This will last for 11 years. More importantly, the maximum penalty for causing death by careless driving under the influence of drugs is life imprisonment. Moreover, you could face other problems if you're convicted of drug driving, such as your car insurance costs will increase significantly. If you drive for work, your employer will see your conviction on your license. You may have trouble traveling to countries like the USA. When you're behind the wheel, it's important to remember that you're responsible for your own safety and the safety of others. So, let's all make a commitment to never be under the influence of any legal or illegal drugs while driving. Thank you for tuning in, and let's all make a pledge to keep our roads safe. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more important topics. Stay safe out there, everyone.